want to tint my rear tail lights. I'm gonna do it in red because I think that looks really sharp on these cars. The other thing I'm gonna do is right in here where the rear light, where the reverse light is I'm gonna put some sort of design, some pattern masked off, and well, we'll see how that works. First time I've ever done these, so I don't know, come along with me on hopefully what's going to be a worthwhile endeavor. The best piece of advice that I can give you guys is take your time, go through the extra steps, you know, mask the stuff off properly, get it as far into the grooves as possible, you know, tuck it all in nicely. I can't stress enough how important the prep work is. The more time and concern and care you put into your prep work, the better the job's gonna turn out every time. So it was at this point that I realized I had gone a little bit too far. No, that's a flat out lie. That was literally 4 hours ago. But whatever, the finished product I think is gonna be pretty decent. I think you can see where I'm going with this. Alright, so if at first you don't succeed, try again, but at least one of them worked, I think, beautifully. That is exactly what I was going for. Nice and clear, nice and dark. You can see a little bit of orange peel, but you gotta get up right close to it. And it's so little, I'm not gonna be concerned about it. But most importantly, that came out great. First one I did, not so much, and well, I've had to start over. But try and try again, we'll get it right this time. I'll show you how I'm getting this together. I cut myself a stencil. Sorry, I printed a stencil. What I'm doing now is just extending the lines all the way to the end of the page. Afterwards, I will cut all of these off and number them accordingly, like 1, 1, 2, 2, and so on. And the reason I do that, I cut all of them off except for one of these guys here. I can't remember which, but I'll line it up and I'll know. I do that simply because this ends up being a 12-armed octopus, and it's just too much to try and lay onto something vertically and get it right and straight. So I figured I'll just go the extra step and number them, and when I put them back on, I know exactly where it goes. I draw a little corresponding line so I can line everything up and get everything up straight. And that is how that one got done. So I'm just gonna repeat the process for yet a third time. I should be pretty good at it by now. And I will get back to you with the finalized product. All right, after 4 coats of the VHT red and another 3 coats of clear, this is what we're left with. Looks pretty good to me. Now I'm gonna peel it off and hopefully it matches the other side. right, so here it is. I think that looks not too bad. Definitely tedious job. I mean, you're not gonna do this just for kicks. You're gonna do this because you want to. It takes a bit of work.